everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and today I figured we would get ready together. I have to get ready for the day, have a very busy day, and need to do a lot of productive things. So I thought, we could just get ready together. I could show you the look I've been doing every single day. I've been recently doing more makeup than I have in the past year. Ever since the pandemic started, I wasn't wearing makeup daily. I was like, what's the point? And I'm slowly but surely starting to get into it again. So I wanted to show you the look that I've been doing every day. It's super simple, very easy, very quick, because I don't want to spend a bunch of time, but I really want to use my product. So if you want to learn how I do my everyday, super simple, basic look to enhance my features, or if you're just looking for someone to get ready with you, then let's get ready, okay? Let's go. As always, the eyes go first. I always like to do eyes first because I'm a messy person and I don't want to have to clean it up later. So let me just get started. I'm using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. You guys know I love this. And I have oilier lids, so even when I'm not doing a bunch on my eyes, I'll prime. And this is my favorite primer. And it's been my favorite primer ever since I started using makeup, actually. For my eyes, I'm obviously keeping it super, super simple, and I'm keeping my makeup brown. I find that when I'm not doing a lot, I'm just doing like eyeliner or mascara. I love going for brown because it's a little softer than black. It still defines everything, but it looks a little more natural. You still obviously look like you're wearing makeup. It just kind of enhances your face. It's not such a big contrast like with black, so I'm gonna stick to browns today. The first thing I'm gonna use is my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Whiskey. This is a beautiful brown, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this on my upper waterline, my tight line. I always forget the name for that. And I'm just gonna run it on the outer corner of my tight line, and then I'm gonna do a mini wing, like slight, tiny wing. Oh, I always hate doing this so much. And then I'll just kind of run this along very messily. I don't really do much. And I kind of do a wing shape, and then with my finger, I'll just drag it out. Okay, listen, sometimes the wing comes out wonky, like here. It looks bad. I understand it looks bad, but with mascara, it's gonna look better, okay? Trust the process. This is good enough for me. Okay, it looks bad, but it's good enough for a daily look, baby. And this eyeliner makes it super easy because it's... Wow, did you see that? I really love this eyeliner formula because it's easy to use, but it also, like, when it sets, it sets. You know? You can smudge it out, but when it sets, it stays there for as long as you want it to. Even though they're not perfect, slight wings are done. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them because I am currently not wearing glasses and I can't see anything. But yeah, this is what they look like. And then I like to add a little something on days that are super gloomy like today, and I feel like I need a little extra oomph. So on those days, I like to go in with either like a glittery shadow or glittery pigment or just shimmer on my eyes and add a little bit to the inner corner to make the look fun. Today I'm using the Australis Metallics eyeshadow. This one's in Gold Gaga. And you can really build this up, but if you just use a tiny bit, it looks so nice and it looks subtle. So I'm just using a tiny bit on the inner corner. And then I call it a day. Simple as that. Continuing with the brown theme, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift mascara. This one is in, well, I can't see anything. This is in a brownish black. So this is a brown black mascara. Again, it's a little bit less harsh than just black. And I'm gonna apply a few coats of this to my lashes. Only upper lashes, no lower lashes for today. And I really like this mascara because you can make it like very natural. You can make your lashes look very natural with this, or you can go a little bit more dramatic if you layer it up. The only thing I don't love about this is that it's so hard to remove. So hard to remove because it's waterproof. Once that's done, all that's left to do is the eyebrows. Again, I have a full eyebrow tutorial up on my channel for when I want my brows to look nice and when I want them to look presentable. On most days though, I just go in with a brow gel. I'm currently using the Kosas Air Brow in medium brown. This is a little bit lighter than my hair, like my brow hair. And I find that I really like it because this fills in everything and makes my brows look very fluffy. But it doesn't make them look any darker because this is lighter than my hair. So it just fills them in, but it gives them a soft quality that I really enjoy. After making the brows look like caterpillars, that's the eyes done. Super simple, super quick. Let's go onto my face. For my face, as always, I love to keep it super natural, but I keep it like extremely natural, like over the top natural. I don't even go in with a foundation. I'll just use primer and concealer. For my primer, I've been loving the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. It's been really, really nice. I've been testing it out for about a month now, and I love the effect that it gives my skin. So I'll just go ahead and apply this, being careful with the brows. And then for my concealer, let me see what I have. I'm using the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. This is in Light Sand. One of the best concealers ever! I love this so much. I'm just gonna apply this like I've been enjoying the TikTok trend of applying a little bit here and then a little bit here to lift. I've never been one for, you know, old school YouTube people doing triangles for concealer. I've never been one to do that, but I definitely went in with a lot more concealer. Now I'm just going with a little bit less and then I blend it in. To set all over my face, I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Compact. This one's in medium. It's a little bit darker than my current skin tone right now, but I'm just gonna use this like all over to set because I have combo skin and I need to set, otherwise we're gonna be looking shiny soon. But I like this powder because it looks very skin-like, very natural, and it's a little bit radiant as well. So it makes you look radiant, doesn't make you look flat. And I love that about it. For my cheeks, listen up. I know creams are everything. I love creams. I wear creams a lot, but lately I've been going back to powders because they're so freaking easy. I don't have to think about them. I don't have to like spend a lot of time blending them. And when I'm on a pinch and I need to get my makeup done quickly, I've been reaching for powders a lot. So let me show you the ones that I've been using. For bronzer, I am back to my Old Faithful Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion, the love of my life. This is the shade 20M. It's beautiful, it's amazing, and it looks beautiful on the skin. So I've been bronzing with this. And I just hit the bronzer everywhere, a little bit everywhere to warm up the face. But it's mostly the hollows of the cheeks and the jaw. For blush, I'm using the Bare Minerals Gen Nude in that peach though. I really like it. It's very peachy, but it's also very subtle, so I can build it up as much as I want. And I just apply this to the apples of my cheeks. Okay, I apply this all over the cheeks, not just the apples, but what can I say? I love blush. Now for highlighter, I'm still going strong with creams simply because it's a little bit less intense. I find that powder highlighters can be a little bit more intense. So I have lately been loving the Burt's Bees All Aglow Opal Mist highlighter. It's beautiful, kind of similar to Glossier, but it's a little bit easier to blend into the skin. It looks beautiful and it looks very natural, so I love it a lot. Let's hit it here and a little on the nose. For the lips, you can do virtually anything with this look. Anything goes. If I need to dress this look up quickly, then I go for a red or an orange or just a bold lipstick in general. I think those work amazingly to make anything look a little bit fancier than it already is. For my day-to-day though, I keep it with the nudes. You guys know, nude lipstick is my passion. So yeah, I'm gonna use nude today. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade Single. These are on sale. I think they might be discontinuing them and I am sobbing internally because I love them so much. This is such a pretty shade and I'm just gonna kind of stamp it on my lips and then to make it look a little bit more blurry and not as defined. Okay, and once the lips are complete, the look is done. I never go in with any setting spray or anything because I don't go anywhere. I'm just at home, and if I feel like my makeup needs retouching, I'll literally go in with some more powder and I'll do that. So, you know, if I was to be leaving the house, I'd be Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. But for the most part, this is it. This is the look. Let me zoom you guys in and we can talk about what's going on. This is the final look. I love it. As I mentioned, it's very simple. I literally do this every single day. It took us virtually no time at all. This is the everyday look for me. I'm telling you guys right now. It's great. And that's how I've been doing my makeup literally almost every day. I told you this was gonna be very easy, simple, quick. It's just, I don't even have to think about it. You know, I just like boop, 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 do it. It's done. Features are enhanced and I'm ready to go about my day. It is that simple and I love it for that. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me today. I had a lot of fun. If you had fun too, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content like today's video, then make sure to subscribe. It would help my channel out a lot and I would love it if you could be a part of my little YouTube community. Thank you so much for watching. Had a blast and I cannot wait to see you guys right here next week. I love you all and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everybody. Mwah.